If you started a business in the last few years, you need to hear this. At Corporate Citizens LLC, we help the everyday American in the transition from employee to employer and onward to investor, while unlocking the same powerful tax advantages used by major corporations like Amazon. This week's video is about something every business owner needs to hear. The IRS is ramping up enforcement and audits across the country. Corporate Citizens LLC is here to help you bulletproof your books and protect what you've built. Because let's be honest, it's not a matter of if the IRS comes knocking, it's a matter of when. Thanks to Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill, IRS funding has surged. That means more auditors, more small business reviews, and more scrutiny on deductions, mileage, and payroll. As you transition from employee to employer, your documentation must be as strong as your strategy. At Corporate Citizens LLC, we don't just prepare your taxes. We build compliance and audit readiness into your daily operations, ensuring your books are IRS ready all year long, not just at tax time. Here's our Audit-Ready Playbook, your roadmap to staying bulletproof when the IRS attacks. First, never mix business and personal expenses. Have one business checking account and one business credit card. No personal swipes, ever. When the IRS sees commingled accounts, that's an instant red flag. Receipts make or break your audit defense. Every receipt should say who, what, and why. Example: lunch with Jane Smith, COO of Acme, discussed Q2 renewal. Bank statements prove money moved. Receipts prove why it moved. If you use your vehicle for business, pick one model and stick to it, standard mileage or actual expense. Keep a mileage log using apps like MileIQ or QuickBooks. If you can, dedicate one car for business only. It simplifies everything. Yes, that board meeting in Bora Bora can be legitimate if it's documented correctly. Create an agenda, keep meeting minutes, and label the receipts. Write Board of Directors meeting, Q2 strategic planning. Documentation is the difference between deduction and disallowance. If you're reimbursing yourself or employees, use an accountable plan. That allows reimbursements to be tax-free as long as you have receipts, a policy, and submit them within 60 days. If you borrow money from your business or lend money to it, document everything. Sign a promissory note, include an interest rate, and make real payments. The IRS loves to call undocumented loans income. We make sure they never can. Misclassifying workers is one of the most common audit triggers. Collect W-9s before paying contractors and issue 1099s on time. If you control how, when, and where they work, they might actually be employees. Here's an advanced strategy: deferred compensation. Instead of paying yourself everything now, defer part of your income to future years. Store all receipts and records digitally for at least 7 years. Scan as you go. PDF, image, name files with date, vendor, and purpose. Future you will thank you. Keep backups on secure cloud drives. Create folders by year and expense type. For example, 2024, meals, 2024, travel, 2024, payroll, 2025, meals, 2025, travel, 2025, payroll, turn on automatic sync, turn on permissions, so nothing gets lost. If the IRS ever comes calling, you'll be ready. Instantly. Open the folder, pull the file, move on with your day. Compliance organized every month. Reconcile your bank accounts, review receivables, close your books, match bank lines to your ledger, clear uncleared items, tie out balances, then scan your accounts receivable. Who owes? How long? What's overdue? Send reminders, apply payments, note disputes. Finally, lock the month, post adjustments, save reports, mark it closed. Don't wait for tax season to find mistakes. Catch them early, fix them fast, put a red circle on month end. Run the checklist, stay audit ready all year. Corporate Citizens LLC builds this entire system for you. The structure, the safeguards, the cadence that keeps you compliant. We set up your chart of accounts, create your policies, train your staff, and make sure your documentation is airtight. organized, searchable, and secured. From daily bookkeeping to quarterly board minutes, we keep you audit-ready, always. So you can run the business while we run the books. If you're ready to transition from employee to employer and protect what you're building, contact Corporate Citizens LLC today. We'll help you bulletproof your books in just 10 business days. Please be aware that the information in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal, tax, financial, or any other type of advice. Every situation is unique. Consult Corporate Citizens LLC or your professional advisor to ensure compliance.